Since 1946, the Texas Public Employees Association has been a powerful advocate for state employees at the Texas Capitol. TPEA has successfully led the fight to improve salary, health, and retirement benefits for all state employees. The association led the effort that resulted in across-the-board pay raises. TPEA is the oldest, largest, and most credible state employee organization in Texas. We work every day for the state employees of Texas.
The Texas Public Employees Association's primary mission is to be an advocate for state employees in the state legislature. We are a non-union and bipartisan organization. You will recognize that it is an organization that works on your behalf, and we are the organization to move state employment forward.
From my perspective as Vice Chair of the Senate Finance Committee, state employees deserve the best retirement programs, the best health insurance programs, and because of TPEA, we who serve in the legislature work proudly for state employees.
Texas Public Employees Association is vital. The information that we receive, not just during the legislative process, but throughout the interim, makes a big difference when we actually have to get down to the budgetary process.
We also have many members of TPEA who work effectively with members of the legislature.
TPEA works together with legislators in a professional manner and a spirit of cooperation to bring results to the state employees of Texas.
Because of their credibility and professionalism, we who serve in the Texas Senate are especially appreciative of their good work, their dedication, and their commitment.
We've been able to demonstrate that state employees are an asset of the state, every bit as important as a bridge or a state park or the quality of our environment.
The issue of health care benefits for state workers is so very important. So we need an organization like TPEA to speak on our behalf in the halls of the legislature, where all of those decisions will be made.
You know, it is vital that state employees have their voice heard at the Capitol, and TPEA brings a focus to that with our legislative agenda.
When I started looking towards TPEA, what really astounded me was that it was for all Texas employees. You got Department of Transportation, you have Department of Public Safety, TDCJ, and when you get all these people grouping together, the numbers just shoot out the roof.
When you have a group of people, particularly a very large group of people, who are speaking or having someone speak on their behalf with one voice, then you can influence those decisions.
One of the most important aspects of an association that represents the interests of any group in the legislature is that it has effective and qualified people working.
Each of us in our own way has developed solid relationships with the legislature, has particular expertise in different areas, and we have the core issues of concern to TPEA well covered.
Legislators have a difficult job. There's always more demands for state resources than there are state resources available. And so you have to have, well-argued positions.
Membership in the Texas Public Employees Association is one of the best investments you can make. Participation with TPEA is very reasonable. It's $6 a month. Not one dime of your membership goes anywhere other than here in Texas to represent your interests.
Join TPEA. Join our efforts to be effective advocates on behalf of all state employees.
Join TPEA. Legislators respond to organizations like TPEA that have a committed and involved membership.
Your role is critical, and I would ask you to join TPEA. It's important for the future of every state employee, and it's important for you.
For more than 60 years, TPEA's mission has never wavered. We are here to protect the interests of all state employees. The association exists to ensure that our dedicated state employees receive the strongest compensation package possible. TPEA is proud to represent the working men and women who serve the state of Texas with such great distinction. Join us.